The most highlighted discussion in this Delhi Assembly session has been as to whether there was a British era execution room or was there a tiffin room that existed inside the premises of Vidhan Sabha. Now, what is this entire controversy about? For that, we NDTV team have reached at the exact spot. Now, we are standing here and showing you that this, in fact, area was inaugurated by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government, and they claim that this was a British-era execution room which they had then renovated to give a tribute to our freedom fighters. You can see that here the photo frames with the names of the freedom fighters have also been mentioned here, and here as well a similar setup that you will see. Along with that, a replica of a Britisher, rather a cruel Britisher, has been put to, in fact, show as to how, the freedom fighters had to bear that cruelty. Now, the most interesting portion of this entire room is this area. This area that the Aam Aadmi Party claims was where the gallows were. This is the area they say, and in fact have installed a plaque also to say that this was the alleged Phansi Ghar, the hanging house where our freedom fighters were hanged to death. When you step inside and you come here, there's a cupboard, a wooden cupboard that has been placed here, and inside you'll see very old shoes that are present inside, and also very old ropes also that are present. And as per the claims of the Aam Aadmi Party, these were the shoes of our freedom fighters, and these ropes were used by the Britishers to hang them to death.
नेशनल आर्काइव, दिल्ली आर्काइव और फिर नेशनल आर्काइव ने तो नक्शा तक दे दिया जिसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि ऐसे एक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं, इस भवन में 2 स्ट्रक्चर हैं और दोनों टिफिन रूम है। और ये फांसी का फंदा नहीं, ये लिफ्ट है, जो फूड लिफ्ट है। फूड को ऊपर मैनुअली चलाई जाती है। सदन की गरिमा तार हुई है, इसलिए मामला विशेषाधिकार समिति को दे दिया गया है। हमने 3 दिन सदन में विपक्ष को पूरा मौका दिया कि कोई तथ्य हो तो वो लाइए, कोई लॉजिक हो तो वो लाइए, लेकिन एक हिस्टोरियन तक वो सामने नहीं ला पाए, क्योंकि तमाम हिस्टोरियंस ये कह रहे हैं कि ये फेक नरेटिव है, ये फिक्टिशियस है और ये एक तरह से शहीदों की भावनाओं के साथ, लोगों की भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ है।
क्या मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी कहने की कोशिश कर रही हैं कि अंग्रेज फ्रंट पेज पे न्यूज़पेपर पे छापते थे कि वो भारतीयों को कहां फांसी देते थे? 1857 के रिवोल्ट पर जो वीर सावरकर जी की भी किताब है, उसमें भी यही लिखा है कि अंग्रेज गुपचुप रूप से जेलों के बाहर भी छुपा छुपा के भारतीय मूल के लोगों को फांसी देते थे। तो क्या कहना चाहती है भारतीय जनता पार्टी कि कोई अंग्रेजों ने भारतीय लोगों को सीक्रेसी में नहीं फांसी दी? जब कोई इतिहासकार नहीं, जब कोई आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट नहीं, वो कैसे ऐसा निर्णय ले रही हैं?
Now, what's next for this alleged Phansi Ghar or the hanging house? Well, Speaker Vijender Gupta has now given orders that this entire structure, rather decoration, will now be removed, and in fact the maps that have been received from the National Archives, that will be put on display, which will show that this was in fact a tiffin room, and it was the lift service that was being used for the tiffin room. Now, the motive behind is, as per the BJP, is to send this message across to the people that how corruption was done by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government. Not just that, another very crucial order that has been given is that this nameplate that you can see that was put here at the time of the inauguration will now be removed, and also the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and along with him, Ram Nivas Goyal, the then Speaker, the then, Deputy Chief Minister, Manish Sisodia, and the Aam Aadmi Party leader Rakhi Birla will now be summoned by the Privilege Committee, which will be doing the entire investigation. So certainly it seems, that the BJP in fact has made up his mind, and the trouble will now mount for the AAP leader, especially for the former Chief Minister and currently the Aam Aadmi Party National Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. Now with camera person Prem Singh, this is Ishika Verma for NDTV.